officially launched its 75-inch color ePaper displays, ushering in a new era of large-format ePaper technology. The 75-inch e-ink Spectra 6 features a high-color saturation full-color display, supporting integration with e-ink ripple technology. With optimized animation rhythm and transition updates, it effectively captures attention and meets the demands of commercial applications. It offers ultra-low power consumption, delivering a new display experience for advertisers, brand owners, and retailers. Its applications include advertising billboards, information displays, wayfinding signage, as well as corporate and retail brand showcases. E-Ink Marquee is an innovative full-color ePaper technology with a new 4-particle system, delivering vivid colors optimized for outdoor and digital out-of-home signage across a wide temperature range. E-Ink Marquee can operate in environments ranging from -20 degrees Celsius to 65 degrees Celsius without the need for cooling systems. With exceptional energy efficiency and thermal performance, it offers a more cost-effective display solution for outdoor settings. Built on the e-Ink Kaleido platform, the first dynamic color ePaper solution features improved refresh rates and advanced algorithms for smooth video playback. Delivering poster-like visuals, the 75-inch e-Ink Kaleido display operates between -15 degrees Celsius and 65 degrees Celsius, making it suitable for outdoor environments. E-Ink is collaborating with ecosystem partners to launch large-format ePaper signage, enhancing visual appeal and meeting demand for sustainable, energy-efficient digital displays. The future of color ePaper signage is now,